generation of Howdy's cordless vacuum cleaner, portable and convenient. Use on demand. Soft power brush can wipe dust and hair easily to avoid splashing the floor.
Amazing!
Two-in-one brush can clean sofa, gaps, and scraps on the table. It is suitable for more circumstances, such as ceiling, curtain, and bottom of the furniture. There are more surprises waiting for your exploring. Longer runtime with powerful model, while shorter charging time. Freedom comes from Cordless. New arrival of Howdy cordless vacuum cleaner.